My name is Luver. I'm from Cuba. I've been in the States for 5 years now, and I'm a software engineer as a profession, investor. Actually, yeah, I'm an investor with more than 15 units now, even before the wholesaling course. Yes, this deal here was my first wholesale. My first deal was a $48,000 assignment fee deal. Was a single family back in Rosenberg, like half a mile from one of my properties. Single family deal, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, the basic or the standard house that Ron told us to search for. And yeah, I right away, a week later, we put it on the contract. It was easy, kind of. The seller was looking to sell. He was in a hurry. I got a buyer right away using the same network that we have here. Actually, I sold it to another student. As I think that any investor is always struggling with the assignment fees of the other wholesalers. I mean, it's a piece of cake that any investor would like to get himself. So yeah, I was not kind of struggling with my deals. I just knew that to be a successful or to have more success in investing, if I get my own deals, it's going to be a huge difference. So that's why I joined the program. That's it. I made it. Well, first of all, to have everyone is looking for the shortcut to success, and I have to say that this shortcut is to have a mentor. So why did I pick Ron? Because first he was my wholesaler, one of my wholesalers. I already bought a couple properties, one property from him, and also I knew that the guy is a successful wholesaler. So who's better to learn from the best? I mean, a lot of people trying to learn by themselves by YouTube. That's cool. But I think that, as I said before, the shortcut to success is having a mentor, having someone with the experience to teach you from from that experience. That's it. I wanted to save time and just spend a little bit of money to save a lot of time. What I'm doing, or what I did, is mostly I pulled my lists of the PropStream software, but mainly I drive for dollars because I have a lot of properties around Houston. So every time I go to one of those properties, I kind of drive by the area and save those houses, distressed houses, and then I call them or text them, and that was how I got my deal in Rosenberg. The experience has been awesome. Any detail, has been a program oriented to details or any doubts that as an investor I had a lot of doubts becoming like a wholesaler or getting knowledge about sourcing my own deals. The support is incredible. In every meeting we had like a small session to desk my deal, was the name, right? And I think those are the kind of like classes or examples where the students learn. Okay, about Ron, he brings to the table all his knowledge and all his support, and I think that's what I was looking for in a mentor on the wholesaling part. Well, always, humans we are a community-based like species. So if you want to be successful in something, you need to go ahead and join a community. So that's what I did on Wholesaling 101, and I feel great within this family because they are really supportive and they push your limits for sure. For me, that's the key. When you see other people closing deals, getting contracts, that's when you say, hey, no excuse, let's go and find your deals. From what I have today, I see myself in 5 years with a lot of properties, more than 1,000 properties, because I have the skills. I feel confident with the skills, the wholesaling skills that I learned from the mentorship program. And yeah, I see myself building a multi-million-dollar company for sure.